True. That's absolutely true. You're reading my mind. I couldn't agree more. I agree with you wholeheartedly. I agree. We're on the same page about this. That's a good point. I'm in complete agreement. That makes total sense. I know exactly what you mean. We see eye to eye. My opinion corresponds with yours. Our opinions coincide very well. You've touched on the essence of what I was trying to say. Our thoughts are in complete accord. Begrudging ways. I'm in full agreement with you. I subscribe to your point of view. I think your point is very well taken. I'm glad to see that we're on the same page. Common sense tells me you're right. We're on the same wavelength. I'm square with you on that. I have no problem with that. Your view of things is well received. Your point has relevance. I concede the point. I give up, you win. You're going to keep arguing until I give up, so have it your way. You're right, as always.
How to open a conversation from courteous to rude. It's great talking to you. I can't wait to get deeper into this topic with you. I've wanted to talk with you for a long time. I would appreciate having a conversation with you. I'd like to talk to you about something for a moment. Do you have a minute? I would like to discuss something with you. It would help me a lot to know your opinion on. I really want to have a dialogue with you about this. I'm listening to you and I want to understand. Today, I'm hoping we can discuss. Please feel free to speak openly. Whatever results from our discussions will be just fine. I'd like for our conversation to lead to something concrete. I'd like to elaborate a bit on rude ways. This is a tricky subject. Let's talk about it for a while. Let's take a whack at this, shall we? At this point, the more we talk, the better it will be. We'll get further if we can get along from the start. My goal is for this to become less ambiguous. Why not simply talk about it? What could be the harm in that? I'm not looking to simply talk. I'm in this to make something happen. I'm seeing you today to hear you out and possibly help you. We should have started this discussion long ago. Wish we didn't have to talk about this, but there isn't any way around it. The only reason you're here is so I can hear you out. This is probably pointless, but let's see how far we can get. We may as well get going with this. I haven't got all day. I'm calling you out. Get in here and talk to me now.
How to close a conversation from professional to unprofessional. Talking to you is always a pleasure. I can't believe how wonderfully our talk went. This dialogue was very helpful. Thank you. I learned a lot talking to you. Thanks for everything. I'm sorry this is over. I was learning a lot. Thank you. I enjoyed our talk immensely. It was great talking to you. I got a lot out of our conversation. I apologize, but I must leave. I could listen to you for hours, but alas, I must go now. I'd like to continue with this, but I'm late for. I have pressing matters to attend to now. Let's stop here. Sorry, but I'm needed elsewhere. I regret I can't pursue this conversation any longer. Sorry, I prefer not to continue. This is as good a place to end our discussion as any. We won't be able to get anything out of such a big subject in just a day. Unprofessional ways. I can't be of any use to you from this point on. Can we talk about something else, please? There's no need to discuss this any further. We've spoken enough about this. Let's stop this right here. Let's pull back before we go too far. This discussion isn't appropriate any longer. This topic disturbs me quite a bit. We could talk about it for 10 years and we still wouldn't have an answer. More talk would simply be a waste of our time. I just don't want to speak about this now. I'm not interested in this topic anymore. As far as I'm concerned, this conversation is over. My apologies if I choose not to waste my time with this conversation. Talking to you just makes my brain hurt. I'm not listening. I have nothing more to say to you. This conversation is over. You'd better shut your mouth before you put your foot in it.
How to ask for more information from polite to rude. I'm probably being dense, but could you say more on this? I would like to know your position better. Would you be able to substantiate this? Can you elaborate on your position? Would you say that one more time, please? Would you please shed some light on this? I'm sorry, could you tell me more? May I ask you to expand on that? Your points are well taken, but there are a few things I still need clarified. I would like to have all the information. Would you please elaborate? Perhaps you could clear something up for me. I'm not sure what I heard. Do you mind repeating it? Would you explain this a bit more thoroughly? Your message was a bit garbled. Would you restate it? I may have misunderstood you. Would you repeat that again? I'm not sure I understood you very well. Rude ways. Show me what you mean. Can you provide more information? I don't understand you at all. Would you clarify? Can you explain yourself more clearly? Sorry, what was your point? What are you trying to say? Is there something you're not telling me? Please get to the point. I need more than this to continue our discussion. Lay your cards on the table where I can see them. I demand an answer. Just spill the beans already.
How to express an opinion certain and uncertain ways. I can say without equivocation that, with much conviction I say, I'm speaking from experience when I say, there is no doubt in my mind that, I can assure you I know what I am talking about. There is no hesitation in what I am about to say. If you'll allow me to be frank, from my perspective, let me just say, what I am trying to say is, it's just my gut feeling, but let me say, if you'll allow me to interject for a moment. That's all good, but what I am trying to say is,
uncertain ways. My guess would be, I feel I have to get this off my chest. I think I'd like to say something here. If I am not mistaken, I'm not sure, but I think, I could be wrong, but I may not have assurance, but I know I'm usually wrong, but take this for what it's worth. May I add my measly 2 cents?
How to ask for someone's opinion, from polite ways to rude ways. I'd love to get your take on this. Is there anything you'd like to add? I welcome all opinions, so please speak freely. Would you like to interject? What do you think about? I am open to any suggestions. Would you like to contribute to this dialogue? What's your view of the situation? It would help me a lot to know your opinion on
rude responses. Dialogue is key. What do you have to say? Don't be afraid of being misunderstood. Please speak freely. Any input is welcome. If you don't agree, show me an alternative. What's your best answer? I can't proceed without hearing from you. Speak your mind or forever hold your peace. Have you got an answer or not? You're going to say it anyway, so get it over with. Just spit it out already.
How to share news from good to bad ways. This news is so good it will blow your mind. This is such great news, there's no way to hide it. I can't wait to tell you this amazing news. This is what you've been waiting to hear. The best thing just happened, let me tell you about it. You won't believe the news I have for you. Wait until you hear this. I'm really pleased to tell you that. I can't do this news justice, but I'll try. This piece of information is going to make your day. I'm not sure how to say this, but I think this is something you should know. I'm gonna have to let you down easy. I'm afraid I have to give you the lowdown about. I'm gonna have to break it down for you. Let me put this as gently as I can. Share bad news. I don't mean to bring you down, but I didn't want to be the one to tell you this, but don't shoot the messenger, but there's no good way to cut the deck, so let me just say, it's not easy to say what I'm about to say. I hate to be the bearer of bad tidings, but you aren't gonna like what I have to say, but There's no good way to tell you this, but are you sitting down? I'm afraid I have news you probably don't want to hear. I'm afraid I have some bad news to report. Yes, it's bad. Here's the scoop.